Hello friends, today I would like to show you how to put down a wheel cover. You just put your fingers inside, hold it firmly and pull straight towards yourself. If you have problems removing wheel cover with your fingers, you can always use a flathead screwdriver and pry a little bit with it. It's always a good practice to check your wheel covers for any cracks. As you can see, this wheel cover is cracked, and now I'm gonna show you how to weld it, to fix it, so you can save some bucks. For fixing cracks on your wheel covers, you will need scissors, zip tie, and a soldering iron. You can use any cheap soldering iron. This one was like 10 bucks. So always remember to preheat your soldering iron. Then cut the end of a zip tie, because you need some spare material to fill the crack. So you just take your soldering iron, move it close to the plastic, touch it, and you can see it melts. You can sort of like touch weld it together from the outside and then move inside to make it properly. Just push your soldering iron into the plastic for a little while. We can make it stronger by adding some more material from a zip tie. Just line it with your crack and then melt it with your soldering iron. Once you let it cool down, it will harden and it will be almost as good as new. Sure, it doesn't look the best, but you know, this is $500 car, so what do you want? Nice and sturdy. Always remember not to cover this valve stem. You can see there is a cutout in your wheel cover, so just line it in. Give it a few gentle taps around, and that's wheel cup properly seated.